Welcome. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the Lennox Home App and the SmartThings app pairing. There's two ways to add the mini split to the SmartThings app. First option is with the QR code, which will be in the description. For this video, we will only review the second option. Log into the SmartThings and you may need a verification code to continue. And add device. Select AC mini split. At the bottom of the screen, select add without QR code. With the wireless remote in hand, point it directly at the indoor display. Press power button until the indoor display blinks. Log into the Lennox Home App and select Add Device. Select Lennox Mini Split. The display bus is going to show Link to SmartThings app. Accept the device link. Add your login, user, password, and you may need a verification code to continue. Select location, My Home. Select Allow Lennox Home. Allow location and device. Select Authorize. Options are Create Home or Existing Home. The account is added to the system once connected, and then you're ready to start controlling your system.